Jasmine and her kitty plan a trip to visit California. They reach the airport on time. But the kitty starts crying for ice cream. Jasmine gives her money and asks, "Come back quickly, I'm waiting on the plane." But the kitty forgets everything while eating ice cream, and the plane takes off. When the kitty realizes, she screams and runs after the plane. She accidentally runs under the plane while another plane is behind her. The security guard is shocked when he sees the little kitty. When Jasmine sees her kitty, she cries and asks the pilot to stop the plane. But it's too late, as the kitty is already badly injured. She is now in critical condition. Jasmine rushes towards her injured kitty, who is lying near the tire. The mother cries a lot beside her kitty. Julia is a very rich girl, and she is on her beach trip. There, she meets a handsome guy named Max. She falls in love with him at first sight. They start spending time with each other. Max is a greedy guy. He only wants her money. One day, he sees Julia standing at the edge of a cruise. Max gently holds her hand and pushes her into the ocean. He leaves Julia in the middle of the ocean. While drowning, Julia remembers her old memories with Max. By luck, Julia survives, but she cries because Max betrayed her. Now, she wants revenge, so she decides to undergo facial surgery. Julia is ready to take revenge and is very satisfied with her new looks. She goes to a dance club where Max is already present. When Max sees Julia, he falls for her and offers her a drink. Julia finds a chance and poisons his drink. When Max drinks it, he feels suffocated and struggles to breathe. She finally took her revenge back. Sarah and John love each other and got married. They look very happy and feel comfortable with each other. They are taking selfies with guests during the marriage ceremony and then went home. Sarah is looking very excited as she will be a mother soon. And she is cooking delicious food as well. Suddenly, she starts feeling pain while John is at the office. So she can't bear it and runs onto the road. Somehow, she manages to call John. John reaches and tries to calm her down while she is crying in pain. Now both are in the car. John speeds up as his wife is in pain. But a sad incident happens. The car crashes and Sarah is badly injured. John is screaming for help. The ambulance arrives. And John puts Sarah on a stretcher. But Sarah is in critical condition as her breathing slows down. She grabs John's hand, crying and screaming in pain. At last, she leaves this cruel world, and John is in sorrow as he sheds tears. Lily is a boxer, and she faces the mighty Peter in the ring. Lily is a very courageous girl. She fought well. She is a very trained boxer, while Peter is just a normal one. Lily easily took down the mighty Peter in just a few punches. She won the title of the best boxer of the year. Peter could not bear her victory as he wanted revenge. One day, while Lily was jogging, she saw a little baby kitten who was very hungry. She adopted it. Now it's revenge time, as Peter also arrived at the gym. He is very angry, but makes a plan. He bows down in front of Lily. Peter requests Lily to train him and give him space in her gym. Lily agreed, and both Peter and Lily practiced in the gym. Peter grabbed the attention of the baby kittens as well. He made poisoned food for the kittens. Lily dropped off her baby kittens at the gym and went for groceries. Peter, looking for an opportunity, quickly reached the gym with the food. When the baby kittens saw the food, they became hungry and started eating. Lily bought groceries and came back, but when she entered, she was shocked. Many baby kittens had died due to food poisoning. Lily shed tears and cried loudly. Only a few kittens survived. Ron and Ava have been arguing since they were kids. They would yell at each other at school, sometimes in the playground, sometimes in the library. Now they are adults, but nothing has changed. They still quarrel with each other. They even quarreled at the club on their wedding day. After the wedding, their habit of yelling continued. They argue in the bedroom, in the hall, and even outside. One day,